loves, oh my gosh. Where is the time going? Christmas is soon. Like, did I miss something? Halloween flew by, then Thanksgiving, and boom, here we are. Christmas and then New Year's, like... Am I being punked? I think that everything flew by. Yes, you might think that I'm being dramatic, but I am just like, where did everything go? Like, mind blown. So, today's video is a holiday gift guide. You guys didn't think that I'd leave you hanging this year, did you? Nope. So, I put together this really cute gift basket, and I think that this is the perfect gift if you are stumped on what to get somebody. So, I love shopping. I love showing you guys what I got. So, I also want to give you guys a little tip. I did this for my little sister's 21st birthday. I made her a gift box. So, you know those really gorgeous boxes that you guys see at Burlington and like Marshalls and Home Goods and stuff? So, it's like a giant box, and they're those storage boxes. And like I use them for my ears and stuff like that. But for my sister, I ordered some Twilight stuff on Etsy, and I got a few of her favorite things and like treats and perfumes and stuff like that. And I got those little like wormy things, and I put them inside, and I laid each of her gifts inside with her cards, and I displayed it beautifully, and I closed it, and that was her gift. So I didn't want to do a plain old gift bag this year for her birthday, so I decided on making a gift box. So for Christmas, I think that's a splendid idea. Now, you could put some padding at the bottom or some really cute tissue paper. I think I used all of my tissue paper to wrap my own gifts for my family, so I couldn't do that for this video. However, don't forget tissue paper at the bottom or whatever you would like, or even a cute blanket. And now, here's the thing. If they are into Disney and Harry Potter, Funko Pops, that is a must, I think, for any gift giving occasion, a Funko Pop, because I have like 800 of them. I have a problem. But if they have any favorite singer or TV show, there is definitely a Funko Pop for that. And even if there isn't, it's gonna be coming soon because it's Funko and they're coming out with something new every day, so you never know. And then a plush. I love plushies. If you guys have been following me for a long time now, I'm a plush addict, and I think that you cannot go wrong with a plushie. And as for makeup, ColourPop has Harry Potter makeup, they have Disney makeup. You cannot go wrong, and I use this palette all the time. And then this is from a line that came out a little while ago. It's the Lizzie McGuire one. So if you have any Disney lover or Harry Potter lover or any lover of pop culture like anime, or there's so many things, action figures, TV shows, old movies, anything, like I said, anything pop culture related, then this should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. And Box Lunch and Hot Topic is like at the top of my list for gifts. They have blankets, collectibles, ornaments, cute cookie jars, little like jewelry holders, scrunchies, pins, you name it. And I think that that is perfect. And then I got this set, I believe it was Burlington, and that's not a bad deal whatsoever. And they come together. It's Mike and Sully. So like I said, scrunchies, they have Disney headbands to put on your hair when you're doing your makeup. You can never go wrong with that. Makeup Revolution always has fandom related makeup as well. So here's this Little Mermaid highlight. That's perfect as well. I have this Bambi t-shirt in here. I got this at Ross, guys. So go to like Burlington, Home Goods, Marshalls, Ross. They even have Disney and Harry Potter galore. Like, you wouldn't even believe it. I'm even blown away sometimes when I go there. And then I love Bath and Body Works, so I don't think you could go wrong with that. If you know their favorite scent, you know, you could get some lotion and put it in there to mix it up. So you could mix it up fandom, and you can put some beauty stuff in there, blankets, chocolates, their favorite candy, whatever you want, candy canes, I don't know, whatever they like. And then perfume, you can never go wrong with that. I like to smell good. I have a lot of perfume, so I think that that is a perfect gift to add in there. And then slippers, like I said, I mean, you can find a lot of this stuff at Burlington and stuff now, but I got these at Hot Topic a long time ago. But like I said, slippers, you can never go wrong with that. And I believe that that is it that I have in here for a gift guide. And guys, you do not have to break the bank for this. Like if you go to the dollar store and they have cute baskets, get one there. If you go to like Burlington or Home Goods, they usually have like decent sized baskets for like $5 to like $8. I'd say the most. Sometimes if you want a bigger basket, it might be like 10 or a little more, but that's all on you, whatever your budget is, whoever you're buying this for. Or if you want to make a couple of goodie bags or little baskets, I should say, then I have a tip for you. You could buy bulk lotions and perfumes and sanitizers, whatever you wish. And then you could buy some plushes. Box Lunch and Hot Topic and some other places have pretty good deals when it comes to stuff like that. This is not sponsored. I shop a lot, so I'm trying to share some of this with you guys. So they always have coupons, or if you sign up for the rewards program, which is free, I always get rewards on everything that I buy. So sometimes I'll get up to like $15 or more in rewards, and then that's free. So you could use rewards. They are not like coupons. Rewards you could use on anything, and that will bring your total down as well. So go get a plush. You could get scrunchies. They have pins, and you could break them up if you want to buy bulk things, and then just open it from the package. And like, let's say you buy a pack of 5 lotions and perfumes and you want to make 5 baskets. Buy the bulk pack, open it up, put one of each in each basket, then just like throw their favorite things in there. Go to the dollar store now. They have like branded candy like Roches and stuff like that. Go there, get their favorite chocolates, whatever they like to eat, gum even, whatever it is that they like. Put it in each basket. Wrap up a cute fleece throw, you know, and put it in there. Put some slippers. I mean, it's freezing cold now, so I'm pretty sure that anybody would love a good blanket, slippers, even a candle. Like I said, they're candy. I said candy a million times, but you know, anything that they like. Little pins, scrunchies, ornaments. I'm looking around my room, like Nuimos. Those are cute. They're like 20 bucks, and then the outfits for them if you want to dress it up. Like little ornaments that I have on my shelves right here. Little keychains. Really cute lights. I got these lights I think at Hot Topic a long time ago. They don't have that anymore. And then like little like doorables and stuff. Those are really inexpensive. They're like $3.99 for a pack at Target. So like I said, mix it up. I hope that this video helped you. Like I said, you don't have to break the bank for gifts this year if you can't afford that. I think that this is a really great way to go if you don't want to just give somebody like one thing. Like in my household, we like to give a few things instead of one, or you could just make a big gift basket. Like I said, when I did that for my sister's 21st birthday, she was blown away and she loved it, so that made me really happy. And I was like, why don't I give you guys that idea for Christmas? I didn't get to film me doing that for my sister. I should have filmed the way that I did it so you guys could see it, but it's okay, better late than never. But like I said, a gift basket is definitely something different, so fun. You could even wrap it in that plastic and then tie a really cute bow at the top, and then just put a little name tag on it. Or if you don't want them to see it, then just find a way to wrap that so they won't see it. And like I said, put some really cute padding at the bottom, or like tissue paper, or if you could find a really cute pillow or something to put at the bottom so it looks nicer. Like I said, I ran out of tissue paper because I wrapped all of the gifts, but there you go. It's a really simple, easy, and quick idea. If you guys enjoyed this, please let me know down below. Did you guys finish your Christmas shopping already, or are you not done yet? Because I finished, but I also treat myself a lot because it's a problem. Am I the only one that does that? Let me know down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads from me. And guys, if you follow through with this idea, let me know what you guys are going to do, or you could just shoot me a private message on Instagram. I'm more active on there. Let me know. I would love to hear your ideas. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.